up guys, Yusuf Shah from TechDroids, and in today's video I take you guys over $500 gaming PC build that will be featuring the GTX 1050 from Nvidia and the Ryzen 3 1300X from AMD. Now you might be thinking Ryzen 2 is right around the corner, but everything is so price inflated that even if Ryzen 2 comes out, the motherboard will be in demand, the RAM will be in demand, and GPUs as they are from the past, one and a half years, out of stock. But right now seems to be a good time because things are kind of coming in control. So GTX 1050s are available and I've got one for $140. Now I suggest if you are in need of a PC, go ahead, buy this one right now, or else the prices can fluctuate. And the prices can fluctuate even the next day you're watching this build. So that being said, this is a GTX 1050 $500 gaming PC that'll be able to do everything you want in terms of gaming, editing, and day-to-day tasks. So that being said, all the parts that I talk about in this video will be linked in the description to Amazon US, and those are affiliate links, so if you want to help the channel out, buy from those, and in turn helps me make more videos. So with that being said, I'll take you guys over the parts, and towards the end of the video we'll talk about the performance and the future upgrades that you can do. And that being said, let's get started. So starting off with the CPU, we have the AMD Ryzen 3 1300X. It has 4 cores, 4 threads, unlocked, comes with the Wraith Stealth cooler so you can overclock it. It comes clocked at 3.5 GHz on the base and has 3.7 GHz max boost. It also has XFR, that is extended frequency range, comes with 10 MB of total cache and a 65 watt TDP. Currently retailing for only $115. This is a steal deal for now. Now to house that CPU, we have the MSI Gaming Pro B350M motherboard. This supports AM4 socket type, comes in a micro ATX form factor, so it's small. Has DDR4 RAM support up to 32 GB. It has a M.2 slot, USB 3.0 and HDMI. And as it is a B350M motherboard, you can overclock and get some extra performance out of that Ryzen 3. And it only retails for $64.99, so again it's a really good deal. Now for RAM, this is a new brand. This is from Neo Forza. It's an 8 GB stick of DDR4 clocked at 2400 MHz and retails for $80. Now you can get faster RAM or more RAM, but that will cost you more, and I could get only this in this $500 budget. Now for the hard drive, we have the WD Blue 1TB hard drive, 7200 RPM, 64 MB of cache, and a 3.5-inch form factor. And it retails for $47, so a terabyte of space for $47, and the reliability of WD. Not complaining anything, but this is not the fastest thing in the world. But if you want some fast boot times and some really good UI responsiveness, I've linked some optional SSDs down in the description down below. Go check them out, and that should help you get more performance. Now to power this whole build up, we have the Thermaltake Smart 500 watt ATX power supply. This is 80+ white certified and comes with a 5-year warranty, so if anything goes wrong, you can go ahead and contact Thermaltake. This retails for only $38. It has 500 watts, so it should be able to power this whole build up and allow for some upgrades in the future, like new graphics cards, new processors, more RAM, and more storage. And for $38, you can really not complain. Now for the graphics card and the star of the show, we have the MSI GeForce GTX 1050. This comes with 2 GB of GDDR5 memory, works on a 128-bit memory interface, has one HDMI, one DisplayPort, and one dual-link DVI. It retails for only $140, so I'd suggest go get it now before it runs out of stock or gets overpriced. This will support DirectX 12 and we'll be able to play all the modern games at 1080p. Wrap this whole build up, and to pack in all the components, we have the Cooler Master Masterbox Lite 3.1. And this has kind of become my favorite case for budget PC builds. This has USB 3.0, audio jacks, also has a dark mirror front, a tempered glass side panel, comes in a micro ATX form factor, is able to house all our parts and even beefier GPUs. So yeah, it's got space, it's got looks, and it retails for only $37, and it's a steal deal. It'll give your setup a really good spice, and you should totally go buy it. Now that's gonna do for the parts. Now let's talk about performance and future upgrades. Talking about performance, it's very straightforward. This is a $500 1080p beast. It's going to be able to max out all the eSports titles like CSGO, Rocket League, DOTA 2, League of Legends, World of Warcraft, Team Fortress 2, and all the games that don't require a lot of power, like last generation games. Talking about the modern AAA titles, GTA 5, Call of Duty World War 2, Battlefield 1, Witcher 3, Forza Horizon. All the modern games can be played at 1080p medium to max settings. Now if you want really good quality, you will have to sacrifice on the resolution. If you want really good resolution, you'll have to sacrifice on the quality. Get a balance and get something that'll give you a good frame rate and good quality to get the best playable experience. Now talking about future upgrades, RAM is upgradable up to 32 GB. We have 8 inside. You can add 8 more or 16 if you really need it. You should be able to upgrade the storage, add a SSD, That's what I recommend. Go ahead, it's in the description down below. And other upgrades can be done, like going up to Ryzen 5 or even Ryzen 7 in the future if you wanted to. Other than that, this is a very straightforward, overall good PC for $500. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, thumbs up will be appreciated. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace out.